वो हैवी है। How you feel about the plant? How you feel about the plant? कुछ भी बताएं आप प्लांट के बारे में, कुछ भी बताएं।
बहुत अच्छा प्लांट था। कैसे लगा सर? एक कंपनी के एक बंदे ने बताया, दूसरे बंदे से क्या पूछ रहे हो?
कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा आज ही बताएंगे।
सर बहुत अच्छा था प्लांट, उसमें इक्विपमेंट वगैरह जो भी है मेंटेन करना। जो सबसे बढ़िया बात ये थी जो 5S यूज़ किए हुए हैं आपने ISO की तरफ से, और जो 5S है जापानीज 5S, वो उससे ही क्या था पूरा प्लांट सेटअप बड़ा वेल कल्चर्ड है।
कंपनी
Predominant Engineers and Contractor Private Limited. Predominant Engineers and Contractor Private Limited.
Okay. Can you give your mobile number?
Yeah, 9911 898281.
Okay.
I am also from the same company.
Your name? Don't say this time I am the same company. This is your individual introduction.
My name is Manish Chaudhary. I am from Predominant Engineers and Contractor Private Limited. And my mobile number is 9711879990.
Thank you.
My overall experience was very good. Plant was nicely built on well structured, and many new technologies सीखने को मिली, like the package substation and all.
मेरे को दोनों का लो, मैं पूछूंगा इनसे, तुम चल रहा ऑलरेडी कंटिन्यू। You say something about panel quality.
Panel quality was extremely good. जो उसके जो वायरिंग्स थे, ओवरऑल एक पहला लुक जो आप उसको देख के बता सकते हैं वो काफ़ी अपीलिंग था। आप बीइंग अ कस्टमर जो आपको पहला लुक और ग्रेस जो मिलता है वो काफ़ी अच्छा था।
हमादा की जो मशीन थी, हमादा की जो मशीन थी, जो जिससे स्ट्रक्चरल मशीन थी, CNC की
CNC मशीन्स भी काफ़ी
या CNC punching machine, which actually that is the actually gives this production. By using that machine, we are getting this much production. Otherwise, we can't do it.
With proper facility, proper machining, proper best quality, which comes as well as mass production comes with CNC machines.
So you are satisfied with this?
Yes, I am highly satisfied with this visit, and many new things came to know, and overall it was a nice experience.
Thank you. Now you can have spare time with the hotel and take some cocktail and enjoy your evening.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Say something about your introduction and plant.
Myself Abhi Bhushan. I am from Teslec Electricals. जब मैं आया था यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के सब कुछ, लेकिन मेरे बॉस और मैं दोनों वो टेस्टिंग देखना चाह रहे थे पैनल की। अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम लोग देख नहीं पाए, बट द ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस वाज क्वाइट गुड।
Actually, which type of testing you would like to see exactly?
Overall, whatever is the testing of panel की जो भी टेस्टिंग होती है वो हम लोग देखना चाह रहे हैं।
मैं क्वेश्चन का जवाब देता हूँ। एक्चुअली आप पैनल टेस्टिंग में क्या चीज़ देखना चाहते हैं? वैसे हमारे पास जो पैनल हम टेस्ट करते हैं उसमें हम रूटीन टेस्ट करते हैं। रूटीन टेस्ट का मतलब है कि जो ड्राइंग अप्रूव होती है उससे हम बिल ऑफ मटेरियल वेरिफिकेशन करते हैं। उसके हिसाब से फिर हम उसका जो इंसुलेशन वोल्टेज है, हाई वोल्टेज टेस्ट करते हैं, मेजर करते हैं। मेजर करने के बाद वंस इट इज ओके, देन फंक्शनल टेस्ट। बाय सिमुलेशन वी आर क्लोजिंग, ओपनिंग द ब्रेकर्स। सो बिफोर sending to customer, this our quality system which certified that the drawing panel is so % tested and will perform as per our system operation. So there is no doubt, maybe customer is there or not there, even though the responsibility of the plant is same. So once you have approved the drawing, some of customers do not approve the drawing, they rely on us. They have placed order and they will say yes, after getting this panel we do something. So maybe your approval there or not there, even though the reliability, productivity, quality is our Sudhir motto.
Myself Gaurav, I'm from Tesla. काफ़ी अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके, काफ़ी चीज़ों को देखने को मिला, काफ़ी नॉलेज हुई और काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है।
Thank you.
Yeah, sir, yeah, nice experience to you are visiting your works. That is a full establishment for panel assembly, everything. It's nice. It's
What
okay.
have you seen about panel and package substation? What was your overall impact?
The panel, particularly panel manufacturing, it is a good thing. Package substation is okay. Assembled part you are mainly
Your mobile number already available.
Thanks.
Looking very smart man, happy man.
Thanks for providing the opportunity to see your panel product line, and it's nice. And the main is the quality parameter is well controlled, and second is that the way pupils are working and the way they are open to their technology. It's a very good point. Means you can question anybody, you can learn from anybody at any time. They are very open to their trade secrets, and it's nice. And second, the package substation, it's also a very wonderful experience to visualize it when it's under process, and it's a totally open. You can go inside the panel and see what is there and how they are maintaining the clearances or how they are maintaining the internal engineering quality. So it's a good. And one point I want to know that if any customer is not approving the manufacturing quality plan, then are you following your own standard or our well accepted Power Grid standard?
No, actually we have its own quality plan approved by us and available with the plant.
Okay.
So we are following. Customer may require for inspection, may not come, no problem. Our testing team always does this all test as per our QAP and tests provided certified by us, and they issue us certificates.
Okay.
Each panels, and they also ensure that panel is strictly made as per drawing. Then if there is something to be done, then that further will be implemented in as-built drawing. So finally you will get, after approval, after dispatch, you will get as-built drawing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Smiling, but say something.
I have a question.
Yeah.
At which voltage level the electromagnetic powder was charged?
Actually, I think you are asking for HP test.
No. The paint plant. About the paint plant.
Paint.
The powder
Yeah.
which is charged
Actually, that is around 7.5 kb something.
7.5 kV.
7.5 kb. There is so that this object gets charged and it catch immediately the powder. However, we'll confirm later. I think you are too tired or talking on mobiles. No problem. Keep on continue.
had our shares of comments, so I guess.
No problem, sir. No problem. All people are saying the same thing. I think Saab will say something different.
No, nothing is there. Everything is similar.
मेरा तो चेहरा बहुत बड़ा
Say something. Just for my.
It's a good. I have seen number of plots. I have seen L&T. I have seen Siemens plants. I can rate you similar to those plants.
Thank you very much, sir, for this opportunity and pricing the same. Thank you.
हाँ जी वर्मा साहब बताएं.
You just say something about plant visit.
Yeah, it was good, especially the manufacturing assembly of XT panel, LT panels, and yeah, all the best for the transformer facilities. Thank you.
I think you were, some of people were along with me, so the technical information given by our people, so you people are satisfied?
Yes, sir, I am satisfied, and whatever I want to see, and I had seen that things practically.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy today evening.
Yes.
Sir. Really, sir. Actually, I like to say thanks to all Sudhir teams and Chaturvedi sir, mainly Chaturvedi sir,
Good.
who is
Good.
actually in good contact with me. So that's why you give such an opportunity and give us such a beautiful visit to your plant.
Actually,
And
this
we,
is.
yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Okay.
We actually come to know that's actually how the Sudhir, how they are actually manufacturing and how importance to part of a quality they are actually taking care of. So even that case I mentioned you that whenever the Sudhir is not in the approved list or some of the like case, then how can we propose to our client to Sudhir? So that is quite important to us. Right, that's all, sir. That's all.
No, but after seeing this plant and our systems, quality systems, manufacturing process and machinery installed inside the plant, and whether now you can recommend our name?
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely, sir. We can recommend your names and
It is a very nice plant,
entire systems here actually
systematic plant.
systematically
Can you your name and company name just for my reference?
Yeah, Ravi Shankar, SPML Infra.
Pardon?
Ravi Shankar, SPML Infra Limited.
SPML. Okay. Thank you.